How to do sit-ups. If done carefully, sit-ups can help build your core and abdominal muscles. Best of all, you don't even need any kind of special equipment to do them. Once you get the basic form down, you can try sit-up variations to make your workouts even more effective. Just be sure to use proper form, as sit-ups can cause injuries to the neck and lower spine. Method 1. Learning the basics. 1. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent. Sit-ups work best if you do them on a soft surface, such as a mattress. Keep your knees bent at a 90-degree angle, with your feet flat on the floor. You may be more comfortable if you lie on an exercise mat while you're doing sit-ups. 2. Put your fingertips on the back of your ears. Your elbows should be bent and pointing out at your sides. Cupping the back of your ears with your fingertips, as opposed to placing them on the back of your head, can help prevent you from pulling yourself up by your neck as you're doing sit-ups. 3. Lift your torso up as close to your thighs as possible. Do this with a smooth, steady motion, keeping your feet flat on the floor. When you're done lifting your torso, your lower back should be off the floor. 4. Lower your torso down to the floor so you're back in the starting position. Like you did when you lifted your torso up to your thighs, use a smooth and steady motion as you lower it down. 5. Do 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Give your body a minute or so to rest in between sets. If you feel yourself struggling to keep good form, do fewer sit-ups until you get stronger. If you're having trouble doing 3 sets, start with 2 sets until you're able to do more sit-ups. 6. Do sit-ups 2-3 times a week. For the best results, you'll want to avoid doing sit-ups every day. Your muscles grow the most when they're recovering, so it's important that you give your abs a day off in between workouts. 7. Pair sit-ups with other abdominal exercises for a better workout. Doing a variety of abdominal exercises is a good way to work out both your upper and lower abs, and it keeps your body working to adapt, which is good for muscle growth. Once you've gotten the hang of sit-ups, try other ab exercises like crunches, flutter kicks, leg raises, planks. Method 2. Doing sit-up variations. 1. Try doing weighted sit-ups. To do a weighted sit-up, lie on your back with your knees bent, just like you would for a regular sit-up. Then, hold a dumbbell or barbell weight against your chest by crossing your arms over it. Lift your torso up to your thighs and then lower yourself back down to the floor. 2. Do some twisted sit-ups. To do twisted sit-ups, start in the same position as you would for a regular sit-up, with your knees bent and your fingers placed behind your ears. Then, lift your torso up toward your thighs and twist it to the right until your left elbow is touching your right knee. Lower yourself down to the starting position and repeat. 3. Give jackknife sit-ups a try. To do jackknife sit-ups, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet lifted 4 to 5 inches off the floor. Extend your arms so they're straight above your head. When you're ready, bring your arms and knees together while flexing your abdominal muscles. Method 3. Avoiding common mistakes. 1. Avoid pulling yourself up with your neck. When you're doing sit-ups, it's easy to get in the habit of using your neck to pull your torso up to your thighs. Unfortunately, doing this can strain your neck and increase your risk of injury. Make sure you're using your abs to lift yourself up while doing sit-ups. 2. Don't drop your torso to the floor when you're finishing a sit-up. When you drop your torso to the floor, you're preventing your abdominal muscles from getting a full workout. Just like when you're going up at the beginning of a sit-up, you want to use a slow, controlled motion to lower your torso back down to the floor. 3. Avoid weighing your feet down while you're doing sit-ups. While weighing your feet down may make doing sit-ups seem easier, it actually does more harm than good. Weighing down your feet causes you to use your hip flexors more, which can strain your body and cause back pain. Sign up now and hit the bell to get the latest content from Keen Inklings. Like, share, subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.